Hello guys. I was working on a project in which I was using DWIN LCD. So in that particular project, I was facing an issue related to SD card when putting the code into the DWIN LCD. The SD card was not getting the file transfer. So today I will show you how to format that SD card so that you can get the SD card working with your LCD. So you need to open command prompt, and one thing you have to notice that this is my SD card which is in D drive. So here you need to use this particular command, small f format, and instead of G you have to use your drive related to SD card. Then click enter. So now it is get formatted. Now we need to set a new name to this particular memory card. So I will set DWIN approach, or you can simply DWIN LCD. Now that is done. So now you can put the DWIN set to your memory card and upload it to the LCD screen. Thank you.